My name is A.R. Shola, bearing number 33283. I am a retired employee of National Insurance Company, last posted at branch office, Srinagar. I have a province service writ petition. I have filed it in various in court, in Central Information Commission, and made personally number of representatives right from 96. But all has been put into dustbin willfully. My humble submission to the authorities is kindly look into the matter once again so that I may not be forced to expose you publicly. I keep my secrets which are with you and me right from 96 till date, but limit is lost. Enough is enough. If your good self will not address my issues, which I have raised through my number of representations right from 96, particularly representation dated 27th May 2011, under which you have retained my salary as well, instead of addressing my issues. I hope you will not force me to file an FIR, to take other measures which will crush you later on, and you will repent. It is my humble submission once again. Look into the matter. You have totally destroyed the judgment dated 26 March 2011, 2010, under which SWP 051/04. Till date, you have not addressed that too, and you have not addressed the Central Information Commission judgment under the appeal dated 9 June 2016, appeal number CIC MP /A /2015 0002223 and CIC MP A 2016 0000135. These documents clearly shows that you have violated and make interference in the court order, and you are sidelined each and every document by dominant power, misuse of official position and power. I hope you will do everything which is possible so that you may not be in trouble. You kindly look into the order passed by the under RT Act dated 23 October 2017. The order reads, the order dated Kunuka 19/11/2010 from the inception speaks that it has been issued in light of point number 2 and 3 of the Honorable Court order dated 26th March 2010. When there are three directions, that means you have willfully destroyed, damaged or removed direction number 1. On what grounds, on what powers you have the power to delete the judgment, interfere the judgment, which is a crime. Further, you have detained my salary when I, through representations, make you clear that I am not satisfied from your order passed by the authorities dated 19th November 2010. You have to pass the order of compliance within 2 months from the date of judgment you received. When you are passing the same after a period of more than 7-8 months, it lost its validity itself. It is just like a parcel or a passport with expiry date, or we can say it is a dead body. If you will not accept the judgment, the Public Service Commission judgment, how I will accept your illegal and arbitrary order, which has no ground legally, which has no power legally. I hope you will understand and look into the matter once again, as 25 years on, and I am a retired employee. It is shame for your management. If I have not paid the bribe, that does not mean you will kill the judgment. You will made the murder of judgment. I have refused to pay the bribe. It is a fact. I never accept to pay the bribe. But that does not mean you will do whatever you like. After all, law is law. I hope you will look into the matter once again. I have made number of representatives right from 96, but no one was replied till date by dominant power and misuse of official position and power of the authorities. I once again request you, don't compel me to go out of limits, which will drag you later on. It is not a threatening, but it is a document. Files speak so. You have made, mislead the court, filed the fictitious information, wrong information before the court. I do not want to expose you publicly, but you are compelling me. Previously, you have compelled me to move to the court. Have you gone through my documents, through my representations? I may not be suffering from 96 in the court. What I have written in the representations today, the court, the Public Central Information Commission stands with my view. So you have no right to misuse of official position and power. No doubt you are an officer, but that does not mean you will kill, you will destroy one's life without any justification. On what grounds you have retained my salary of May 2011 when I dissatisfied, put a note, representation about the dissatisfaction of order of your compliance of the court order. I appeal to the Honorable Chairman in particular to look into the matter and take into task all the authority who are involving in playing a dirty politics practice, malpractice in that company. If you do like this behavior with an employee, what you will do to the public? When our job is with the public, we are a business sector. If you will not do justice with your employee, how the public can expect that you will do justice with their claims for which they are paying the premium in advance? The authorities are responsible for further consequences if my demand will not be met within days.